15 lakhs in Japan. International caregiver jobs now open. 80 plus candidates already placed. Visit us today to know more.
Hakasian jam ban ai jingrap shakibrio kibadan Jingduna ki Dkhot man office strikam ka commissioner for persons with disabilities social welfare department ka state council of science technology and environment Meghalaya Shillong but PT Badhin Dayal Upadhyay National Institute for Persons with Physical Disabilities PDUNIPPD haringkat ka je trailang bat ka Instalim India Private Limited hakasantre ujal leo arhaja akun rio kala penlong ya ka program Atiar jingrap lani ki 3D Prosthesis Artificial Limbs ha State Central Library Shillong. Hagani ngi lawan banyashim bentaro ba Sanbor Sulai Umentri Bri Khmi Yakatanat Arts and Culture Kumu Kongsan haringkat ka jinga don lang Upravin Bakshi Commissioner but Secretary ka Sarkar Jilla Uba Lingkor Kinjing MCS Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities ka Sarkar Jilla Nalor Kiwe Pan. Hagani ngi lasam yagi 3D printed artificial limbs sha khat ar ngot ki brio kibadan Jingduna hagi Dkhot man. Habajing kran hagani jaya lang uba Sanbor Sulai ulaong bagajing sam ya kitiar jingrap shakibri kibadan Jingduna ki Dkhot mat kalong shisha ka jingrap na kabenta ki badan kam bat kumta ula ai ka jingro ya kitana trai kam ki baladan benta hakani ka kam.
This program reflects our collective commitment to empowering persons with disability. This through innovation, technology and compassion service delivery. It demonstrates the impact that can be achieved when government institutions, professionals and private innovators work together towards inclusion and accessibility. I would like also to acknowledge the contribution of Instalim India Private Limited, a pioneer in advanced prosthetic technology. Through the use of 3D scanning, digital design, artificial intelligence and advanced manufacturing. Instalim is helping persons with disability regain mobility, independence and confidence. Such innovations are making quality prosthetic care more affordable and accessible, especially in remote regions. I am also pleased to learn that along the prosthetic fitment program, today continuing rehabilitation education CRE program from scanning to prosthesis, hands to on training in 3D digital fabrication being conducted by PDUNIPPD in collaboration with the Instalim India Private Limited. For prosthetic and orthotic professionals from across North East India, this initiative will provide valuable exposure to the latest advancement in prosthetic technology, digital design and rehabilitation practices. Capacity building of professionals is essential for ensuring sustainable and quality rehabilitation services. I extend my best wishes to all the participants and hope that the knowledge and skill gained through this program will further strengthen rehabilitation services across the region and benefit countless persons with disabilities in the years to come. The Right of Persons with Disability Act 2016 means these people, they have got the rights of persons with disability act, which has been enacted and passed in 2016, mark a significant step towards ensuring equality, dignity and full participation of persons with disabilities in society. Guided by the vision, the government of India and the government of Meghalaya continue to implement various schemes and programs aimed at empowerment, rehabilitation and social inclusion. I am happy to know that Meghalaya has been making steady progress in this direction through various welfare schemes, scholarships, aids and appliances, transport assistance, pensions and other support measures. We are working to improve the quality of life of persons with disabilities across the state. Accessible India campaign is also being actively implemented in Meghalaya. Efforts are being made to improve accessibility in public buildings and government websites, so that 41 government buildings and 85 government websites have been made accessible, and initiatives are on the way to improve accessible transportation. However, building an inclusive society is not the responsibility of the government alone. It requires the active participation of institutions, professional civil societies, and citizens. I urge all officers, educators, healthcare professionals, and stakeholders present here to become ambassadors of inclusion and ensure that our policies, programs, and workplace are accessible and welcoming to all. As we gather here today, let us renew our commitment to building a society that leaves no one behind. Let us continue to embrace innovation, strengthen partnerships, and empower persons with disability to live life with dignity, independence, and purpose. I congratulate all the partner organizations and professionals involved in this initiative. I extend my heartfelt best wishes to all the 12 beneficiaries receiving the prosthetic limbs today, and wish them greater mobility, confidence, and success in years ahead. And I would like just to share that in my constituency, person with disability, both men, women, boys, and girls, they are having government scheme for the last 12 years. So today will be a remarkable day that the Department of Social Welfare with the Department of Persons with Disabilities, we have done a very wonderful job in extending help, support to our brother and sister, the person with a disability, and you have selected the genuine beneficiaries of 12 from all over our state, Meghalaya. Whatever service that you have rendered today, to each and every one of them who really needs our help and support, you have done it. So don't forget, whatever service that we have done for the people, service to people, service to God. In my life experience, you also will get a blessing, a special and a miracle blessing from the Almighty God. In my life experience, I hail from a very poor BPL family from Laban. I was born and brought up in a 2 small room in a rented house in Laban. But my parents are very strong. So this message I'm giving to all the beneficiaries. So we fight for the rights, we are disciplined, we honor, we respect our parents, we respect our elderly people.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la ikan diat bat ka bathau bha. Kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi panai kita. Kadon ka we ka Jingduna ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jingim ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.